Hello and welcome. Today we're going to just have a quick look at the OXO Good Grips Tongs. So with these ones, it's quite a nifty mechanism. So they'll stay closed like this, and then all you got to do is squeeze a bit and push in the top back here. See? So you just push that in to release them. They've got a spring mechanism or spring in the middle here to keep them open, and then you just close it like that. You've got a rubberized grip here and here, so it's easy to grip and hold and use. And then you've got nice little, like these are plastic ends. So if you're cooking, you can use it in a saucepan and not scratch the surface. And they've got a good grip. It's got quite a bit of spring to it as well. And then for storage, just put it like that. They are dishwasher safe too, so that's something to take note of. So if they get really grubby, chuck it in the dishwasher and you don't have to worry about anything. Here we go, OXO Good Grips.